Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Clip Studio Paint and a new canvas, then go straight to the 3D Materials panel. Import the 3D object or figure file. This places a 3D layer so you can manipulate it. Once done, enable grid snapping or turn on the model's pivot so you'll rotate predictably. Make sure GPU acceleration is on for responsive dragging. This prevents lag while you position and scale. From here, you'll be ready to pose and refine the model. You now refine pose and appearance using the object and pose tools, drag joints to create natural weight distribution, and align feet to the ground plane. Make sure to switch between camera and object controls so you don't accidentally move the view instead of the model. Once the pose is solid, tweak material sliders and add multiple light sources to reveal form and depth. If textures look off, check UV scale and opacity. These fixes produce clean references and line work-ready shading. You finish by locking composition and converting the 3D layer when you want to ink directly over it, or keep it live if you anticipate more pose tweaks. Then render or export the canvas as a high-resolution PNG or JPEG for final art, and optionally export the 3D data if you edited the model externally. Make sure to save a layered CSV file for non-destructive edits. Troubleshooting tip: if the model disappears, verify 3D layer visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.